In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Steam store is not loading or not working. The first thing that I suggest you do is you open up Steam, click up here, go to settings, and from in here head over to downloads. Now in here what you want to do is you want to click on clear cache, and once you've done that you just want to close down Steam. So to close it down fully, what you need to do is you want to search for Task Manager. In here go to Details, sort by the name, click anywhere and press S, and then look for Steam and make sure you end the task for all of Steam related stuff. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to find Steam and you want to right click on it. Make sure you run it as an administrator, and this can also help fix the issue. Now if it still doesn't work, go to Properties, Compatibility, and try and enable both of these. So the administrator one and also the full screen optimizations. Once you've done that, check if it works. If for some reason it's still not working, what I suggest you do is you just reinstall Steam. So come here for Apps and Features, search for Steam, and then reinstall it. If you have multiple drives, so you can see here, I have my C drive and D drive. So if you have multiple ones, try and install it on your main drive. So my C drive is my main one. So if I have it on the D drive, I'm gonna try and install it on the C one. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.